Don't you worry, buddy. You're in good hands. Oh, yeah. So shooting that for Sean, right?
Respiration is steady.
All right, let's start the prep now.
Okay, I see the heartbeat right here.
How many do you count?
Looks like 4 healthy pups. Everything looks perfect. Vitals are strong.
Yeah. They are beautiful.
Well, thank you. She's doing great, and the puppies are very healthy.
That's wonderful news. Thank you.